Are you looking for a better way to load and manage carrier rates with Oracle Transportation Management, OTM? OTMNow Rate Maintenance makes it simple and easy for your carrier procurement team to load rates into OTM, as well as manage rate changes throughout the year. See how efficient it is to create, format, and validate the data with just a simple click. Once you receive your carrier contract via email, simply download the file to load, and then log in to OTM. From within OTM, you can access the Rate Maintenance module. Select the transport mode that you are uploading and choose the carrier contract file from your computer. Once submitted, OTMNow formats the data in the proper format to be loaded into OTM. It also creates a backup of the formatted data available for download. By clicking Post, OTMNow will do a validation to ensure the data meets both the client and OTM rules. If all business rules pass, the data posts to OTM and you receive a result screen, shown here. OTMNow shows the number of lanes, number of rates, and all the files that have been uploaded in their chronological order. Should the data fail a business rule such as an incorrect state code, OTMNow will find the incorrect state code and identify the location of the error for easy resolution. OTMNow Rate Maintenance provides many features and benefits, including OTM Cloud compatibility and the ability to support all modes of transportation, the ability to support any rate format that can be configured in OTM, full version control to support expiring old rates prior to creating new rates. OTM Rate Maintenance drives ROI to your operation, eliminating the need for OTM expertise, reducing the effort to manage rates. Allow OTMNow Rate Maintenance to reduce your process from weeks to days. Want to learn more?